The PR war between the New England Patriots and the worldwide leader of sports continues. Despite his impressive start to the season, ESPN determined that Tom Brady was one of the worst performing quarterbacks in Week 5, placing the four-time Super Bowl champ second to last on their total QB rating. The network ranked Brady 27th out of 28 QBs in Week 5, which seems pretty absurd considering he completed 74.1% of his passes during Sunday's 36-6 blowout win over the Dallas Cowboys, averaged 10.2 yards per attempt, passed for 2 touchdowns, ran for 1 more, and committed 0 turnovers. So yeah, their rating system is still a mystery to all of us.